I feel cheated. I feel cheated. Today we're taking a look at Breakout Clips. Have you seen these ads on Facebook? The first time I saw this ad on Facebook, I swear to you, I almost dropped my phone. It's these really great 3D videos that look like they're coming out of your phone and really interacting with your social media, whether that be on Instagram, Facebook, or now they even have LinkedIn. So today I'm going to be checking it out because sometimes with ads for these things, the ads always make the product look so much better than it actually is. So is Breakout Clips really as dynamic and fun as the ads make it seem? I bought a month subscription to Breakout Clips with my own money. This video is not sponsored, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I've barely played around with it a little bit, so you're going to be exploring it with me on my computer. Let's do it. All right, so here I am logged into Breakout Clips. Now I'm logged into my account and I already played around with this just a hair, like I said. So I actually, for my $39 a month, you only get to create and download 5 videos. That's it. It's a little bit pricey, to be honest with you. Obviously, economies of scale. If you buy an annual plan, the price comes down a little bit, or you can get more downloads if you upgrade your plan to like the agency version or whatever. But for now, I'm just on the personal use one because I'm just checking this out. So let me show you what I get for my money. So Breakout Clips is a site where you can create social media posts using really cool dynamic 3D videos. And they have all these templates, and honestly, like this manta right here, I really love this very much. Some of them are a little silly, but I have to say, if you were scrolling online on your phone and you saw these, you'd have to stop. This dinosaur one is the one that made me almost drop my phone. I really, really love it. I just think it's so clever. So let me show you how this works. You can start from scratch or you can use one of these templates. I'm just going to start from scratch just to show you the capability. So once you hit that start from scratch button, you get 3 options. The first one is a social post video. The next one is a tweet to video where you can turn any tweet into this like animated text where the text types itself on. And then this one I love. It's a mock chat video, so you can make it look like 2 people are having a text conversation and you're doing a screen recording, which I really like that a lot. But let's start here with the social post video so I can show you how it works. Now you can select a template for Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Let's just go Facebook. Let's pick the mobile user interface. And then the first choice you need to make is, do you want this type of layout where it's like got the media at the top and your text is down here, or do you want the split post where the animations are sort of like interacting around your text? I'm just going to pick the normal post, although I do think the split post is very good. And what you can do here is add video or image content. Now you can upload your own video. You can search videos on Pixabay, or you can search images on Pixabay. I'm going to upload my own video. And here's just like a 5-second drone clip that I've got, and I'm just going to hit add. So now this looks like a regular Facebook post, and you can actually like customize the user here. So we're going to choose a local file. And then you can type in your text. So I'm going to be promoting my production company, Plum Productions, and I'm going to be promoting our drone services. So the other thing you can do is add the name of your company as the username. And then the next thing I do is drop in my animation. So they have all of these cool 3D animations. Some of these you did see on the homepage with the templates, and you can actually search here. I'm going to search drone, and this is the drone image I would like. So now on the next screen, you can decide about the audio. So you can have the animation sound effect, the audio background that comes with the video, or you can just mute it. I'm going to leave the video on there, and we're just going to start rendering. And so this counts as one of my renders for the month. So I can't have a lot of screw ups here today. So now that I've rendered out my video, I can download it. I can go back and edit it, but that would cost me another render, which is kind of annoying. Or I can embed it by copying this embed code and adding it to my website or my blog. So they make that pretty easy for you. I'm gonna hit this download button and let's open it up. And it gives you a very big high-res file. I have to say, this is very nice and large, so it's gonna look really sharp anywhere you put it. And I do think it's a really cute post. I might actually post this on our Plum Productions Facebook page. Why not, right? It's so cute. So now let's create a new video, and I want to take a look at the other types of videos we can make. To be honest with you, these are the two that I haven't played with yet at all, but I do like the idea of them. So you can make it look like Twitter. And we can add in our actual Twitter handle. And what are we gonna tweet? Okay, I'm gonna spend a render on this. I do feel like with this like monthly just 5 video limit, I feel like a lot of pressure every time I do this. All right, again, of course I can download my video, edit or embed it. Let's download it. But you know what? I forgot to edit my profile name. Dang it, and it cost me a download. That's so annoying. You can tell I never use Twitter. I totally forgot about that. All right, now let's try to do one of those text chat videos. Wait a second. How did I reach my 5 video limit for the month? I only have 3 videos here. I'm so confused. All right, you know what? We're not going to be able to look at the chat video. It won't even let me create one, even just to see if I like it. I feel cheated. I feel cheated. So they don't promise you five videos for your money. They promise you 5 renders. So if you make a mistake, you know, and I'm not perfect, I make mistakes, then that costs me a render. And then the last render, I don't even know what happened to it. All of a sudden I was just out. And so I'm not really clear on what counts as a render and what doesn't. So I have to say I'm pretty unhappy with that. I also feel like you saw me making those videos. It was unclear what could be modified on those social media posts. They should highlight them in yellow and be like, click here so you can change this. Like, it was really easy for me to miss all of the customization I could do. And then once I messed it up, it cost me render. And so that is like ultra disappointing to me. And so if I wanted to upgrade to an unlimited version, it doesn't tell me what I get for each of these levels, but I'm assuming the business license gives you unlimited renders, and it's $99 a month. That's a lot of money for what this is. All right, so let me give you my final thoughts as best I can based on what we saw here today. I think the content is so clever and cool. And, you know, it definitely grabbed my attention the first time I saw it on my phone. So I know I wanted to check it out for you guys. I think it's really fun. I think these are so different. And I love like the chat box thing and the Twitter thing, and the 3D animations are really amazing. So for me, I can't recommend this because I think it's too expensive for what it is, but I'm definitely not giving it a thumbs down either. I think if you wanted to spring, if you really loved this, you wanted to spring for the $99 a month, and you did a lot of social media marketing, or you owned an agency and you had a lot of clients, you get a lot of use out of this, I think that this would be great. But for the regular Joe Schmo who owns one business, I just think it's too steep. And there is a bit of a learning curve about what you can modify in these templates. And so it's an expensive mistake to make when you mess up, which I learned the hard way today. So for me, Breakout Clips is kind of a meh. It's a mixed bag. It's a mixed bag. What do you want from me? I hope you guys liked this video, at least thought it was entertaining. Do you like watching me screw up? I bet some of you thought it was really funny. What else are you seeing in your Facebook newsfeed or on Instagram or somewhere else that you want me to review for you? That's what I'm here for. Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again.